Hi, I'm Simon Galbraith, a Senior Specialist for Technical Tyre Services at Bridgestone Mining Solutions Australia. The tyre repair process kicks off with an initial inspection from the tyre repair supervisor and they determine whether it's a go, no-go for the repair at the initial stage, and we quote the customer from that. Then tyre comes into the shed, we'll skive it open, have a look at the actual size of the injury and severity, then make sure we've quoted it correctly. In the case of a major repair, we'll also make choices on what size patch to use for the internal support. Then we do some finer work on the structural preparation of the tyre, removing rubber from around the steel belts, internal and external, fill it with rubber again, install the patch for the major repairs, and then set it up for the curing process. Once the curing process is complete, we'll then unpack it from that and do the final finish, which is buffing the tyre back to the original shape and also marking the tyre for what severity repair was done. Tyre repairs like this one are critical to reduce cost and wastage on site. One of the key differences between Bridgestone's repair process and our competitors is that we have our own factories manufacture the nylon cord material that is used as part of the patch manufacturing process. The CNC machines enables us to get repeatable, precise cuts for the patch manufacturing materials. The skills of our technician play a vital role in the quality outcome of the tyre repair. Their knowledge of how much material to remove and the shapes required to have a good bonding process happen for the repair. Our repairers undergo training through an internally accredited Bridgestone Tyre Repair program. To maintain the quality of the repairs, it's critical that we have consistent materials to use in that repair process. To achieve this, our materials either made in a Bridgestone factory or use a partner company that make the materials to our specific recipes. Tyre repairs are a valuable option for the customer. It gives them the ability to continue to use a tyre beyond where it would normally have been scrapped. This enables them to have additional productivity, but also has a good environmental impact where they're not wasting additional tyres. This is one of the main types of damage we see on the tyres, whereas a rock has penetrated down through the tread on top of the belt package. The customer demands a high level of safety from the tyre repairs, so Bridgestone do all their tyre repairs within the Australian standards or do the appropriate risk assessments if the damage is outside of those standards. The importance for preventative maintenance tyre repairing for the customer is that it enables them to have a cheaper repair, preventing propagation of the injury that creates either a larger damage area and sometimes unrepairable damage or scrap tyre. We support our customers' tyre repair requirements nationally through our 7 strategically placed facilities around the nation. Bridgestone support the Australian standards for tyre repair through committee representation and the review process during the development of those standards, using our industry knowledge and manufacturing background.